What's going on, y'all, man? It's me, Yogi.M, back with another video. And today, man, we got a huge project. But before we get into all that, which I think is a little lounge, you feel me? Got the charger bumper, got some little magazines. If y'all need some brickwork, y'all hit up my boy Alfredo, aka Tortas. But yeah, so sure, I got a serious project in today in the shop. So you come this way, you know, it's the wide body scat. Don't look too much over there. Like, ain't nothing to see over there. Like, you ain't nothing to see. You just gonna act like it's okay. Car's okay. But yeah, it's a wide body scat. As you can see, you got the nice satin black wing with diffuser. Ain't nothing going on there. Somebody put the little stripes on the back, but come this way. That's a bit of a problem. Just a little problem. I mean, you know, just a little crispy chicken sandwich. Well, yeah, this thing's fucked. It got burnt. I don't know how it got burnt, but my boy Eddie bought it off Copart for the low. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get my boys together and we're gonna break it down. But basically the plan of attack is to strip it, take the motor out, and then basically see if this motor is good, because it got burned real bad. And if, as y'all know, when the car burned down, the fire truck pull up and get the whole motor. So hopefully it's good. I'm gonna take the motor out, take all the oil out, take all the burnt shit off. We're gonna take the whole front clip off. Basically, at the end of this video, or the next, probably, I'm not sure how I'm gonna do this, but basically, we gotta get this engine bay gutted, like, you know, like a fucking bald engine bay. Come this way. Look at that shit. This car done went through some shit. Steering wheel burnt. We gotta take everything that's burnt. Everything that's burnt or fucked up has to come out. Doesn't matter if it's like a little harness thermos at the back, it gotta come out. Literally. What y'all think happened to this car, man? You think somebody was driving on the highway and it caught on fire? Or somebody was doing donuts and it caught on fire? Or somebody just set it on fire because they was mad at their boyfriend or some shit like that, or their girlfriend, or what y'all think happened to this car? But backseat's pretty clean. Got free window tint from the fire. You feel me? Shit's pretty dirty. We gotta clean all that shit. Something that had kids. Who is that? Alien. What's it good, my boy? We got your daddy car. They got the Bob Marley rolling tray with this to cover it. Gonna go ahead, gift that to my boy Luis. Happy birthday. We got this thing. Somebody's daughter. Him. Got some rags. We got some disinfectant wipes that. Oh wait, this bit is still good. Let me see. Yeah. We're gonna need a whole bunch of trash bags. You gotta. Let me see what else. This is pretty fun. What the hell is this?
Starlights.
Starlights? Oh, this has starlights? Well, I don't even know because the whole headliner crispy. Oh, it did. Look. Come look. Somebody had 1,000 starlights. Somebody was doing that thing. They had the starlights on here. They put the stripes on here. Rip. Or what if somebody fucked with the starlights and caused an electrical fire and the whole car caught on fire? That's fucked up.
Damn.
They got some baby wipes. Ooh. These going on my shit. Some wiper blades. Ooh, good backpack. This is the new spin a night bag. That bitch cold. There's like 3 of these back there. I wish I could share on the trunk. There ain't shit. There's just a whole bunch of these. But yeah, that's the little tour of the car. Right now, like I said, we're just gonna start breaking it down. Gonna get to work. Like I said, everything that's burnt gotta come off. Everything gotta come off. Y'all couldn't look like it. Just look at the coolant reservoir. If y'all know these scats, y'all know they're supposed to look like that. That shit like stuck to the hole. It's stuck to the fucking car. Look at the fuse box. Right. Oh, wiring harness. This is copper though, you know. We're gonna go sell this for $23 a pound. Look at the dipstick. Coil pack done for. PCM done for. These bolts are gonna be fun to take off. Super fun. Hood done for. Yo, look at this too. This look like it goes to the transmission. That's not a good sign. Well, if y'all know what this is, let me know in the comments. But we probably gonna find it. But shit, comment down below. But yeah, we gonna get to work. We gonna prop y'all up and just get the taking shit off for real. Got the vacuum posted up. 2 vacuums and the trash can. Oh yeah, come look at this shit too, bro. Who took my boy brakes? The brakes are gone on all 4 corners. All of them are gone. Who did that shit? That shit ain't cool, bro. Nah, but yeah, we gonna get to work. Get this thing back on the road. Before we get started on the demolition of the Scat, I have to ask my boy Alex here what he thinks of the new project. So Alex, come this way.
Come on. This thing looks terrible. It's over. In my eyes, this thing is, I would have threw it away for $100. Gone. This thing looks like it's been through 16 drag races with, I don't know, every kind of car you can name. This thing has been more used than my ex-girlfriend. This thing is more burnt than my ex. Yeah, it's...
You said in your eyes it's what?
In my eyes, this thing is garbage.
And in my eyes, it's a diamond in the mud.
It's terrible.
They say one man's trash is another man's trash.
Yeah, like they can hear you. One man's trash is another man's trash.
Here's my trash.
We're gonna get this together, so we're gonna set the camera up and give y'all a time lapse. Alright, y'all. So the camera has stopped recording like 2 hours ago because the camera died. But here we are, as you can see. The dash is out, the seat is out. I'm trying to get all the wiring out, but progress is looking good. A lot of shit was melted. We had to use a whole lot of mallet and a whole lot of banging, but it's going good. Right now we're just gonna try to take out all the wiring. And that's it, all the wiring and all the carpet. I got the headliner on. I don't know. Pretty crispy. Like that shit. But yeah, I'm gonna try to get all this shit done tonight. It's already like 9 o'clock. We started at like 5, so we're going on pretty good. It took us a little bit longer because we had to, it's not just like unbolt and take it off. It's like unbolt it and then you gotta fight that shit out and cut it up and break that shit. We're gonna try to finish it tonight because I got a haircut tomorrow. So I ain't trying to come tomorrow. You feel me? But yeah, progress looking pretty good. Hopefully we out of here in an hour. Yeah, so it's been 5 hours since we started, and pretty much done for the day. One serious problem we found out is the motor got hella water in it. Come this way. Oh no! So we gotta do tomorrow is pull the motor out, and then we gotta take the motor off the cradle because the car has to roll out of here to go get sandblasted. So we're probably gonna go get a motor stand. Well, I don't know, because then we're gonna have to take the motor off the transmission, but the motor has to come off and it has to come off the cradle. So we're gonna do that, take all the wiring off, strip all the burn stuff off, try to take all the water out, do an oil change. I don't know. Or we can stick an air compressor down the spark plug hole and blow that shit and the water's gonna shoot out. I don't know what we're gonna do. But engine bay stripped, motor has to still come out though. Interior stripped completely. Look at that shit. Here's just that fucked up door panel still left. There's a foam thing still left, but all that shit is staying because I want this thing to be like as OEM as possible when we're done with it. I want this bitch to be showroom quality or MC speed quality. It's like nah, but yeah, I think pretty much stripped. I'm not really sure how I'm gonna do this series, but it's gonna be. I'm not sure if I should do stripping it. Next video motor. Third video putting it back together, or I might just fucking show y'all me or show us fucking with the motor tomorrow. I'm gonna record everything though. This thing is fucked. Everything is burnt. Look at the fucking water pump. Water pump gotta come off. I took the pulleys off because it was fucking burnt. I gotta take the tensioner off because the fucking pulley burned. I don't even know, like, I want to spin it, but I can't even spin it because then some water can do some more damage. I don't know if we should pull the heads off. I don't know. I don't know. We're gonna figure something out tomorrow. We pull this motor out. MBS Salas, nigga. Give us our fucking cherry picker back. We need that bit. It's okay, ain't never bring it back. But yeah, we're gonna get that big jack tomorrow. You record? Alright, y'all, so that's gonna be the end of this video. If y'all wanna see us pull this motor out and really get deep into it, y'all gotta stay tuned for the next video. We got a lot of progress up today, but yeah, next video we pulling this motor out and we're gonna break it down completely. So stay tuned for that. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.